Are you ready to take your content to the next level? Hey everyone, my name is Sumit Sharma and I am an SEO strategist and I welcome you all to our channel Buddha's Learning. Today I'm going to share with you 15 tips and tricks which can improve the content of your website. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. Now, in the year 2020, when your online presence is mandatory, the challenge is how to come on the top page of the Google, how to come in the top searches. So the focus should be on optimizing your content, whether the content is on the website or you are promoting it on any social media. Your content needs to stand out and grab attention even in the paid promotions. In Facebook, we call it thumb stopping power. Is your content strong enough to stop someone scrolling and engage? So if you are ready to take your content to the next level, then here are the 15 tips and tricks for you. Tip number 1, mix up your content. In order to reach to as many people as possible and those who are the relevant people, you need to mix up your content, because some people will respond to the discount and some will grab the attention with the emotional message and some will respond to the action oriented videos. Tip number 2, start with a benefit. In traditional TV ads, we used to have the storytelling which started with an intro, building to a climax and then ending with a brand. But now in digital ads, you need to start with a benefit, and this benefit should appear either in the image or in the headline. I will say, think about a recipe video. They start with the end result display, a mouth-watering dish, and then they start the instructions. Tip number 3, test, test and test. There is no hard and fast rule which can apply to each and every promotion. As you create content and then share it, now you need to see the reaction. You need to see the response. If few people are coming on your content, there may be many factors which are associated with it. It can be the lazy loading of the page, or the product positioning, or the image itself, or it can be the pricing. Tip number 4, get inspired by the influencers. If you want to expand your content's reach, it's not necessary that you pay heavily on the ads. You need to search for an influencer. For example, the food videos. These are revolutionized by the food bloggers, not by the food brands. Tip number 5, do less stuff in a better way. Nowadays, in Google algorithms, artificial intelligence, it is playing a vital role. There should be no repeated content, no keyword stuffing, or there should be no long explanations or long descriptions. If your content is crisp and targeted, it will perform better both organically as well as in the ads. And based on this scenario, many companies are reducing their blog frequency and they want quality content. Tip number 6, have some fun. If you look at the content which is performing very well, you will see the emojis which increase the email opening rate, stories with slow motions and stickers. These also play a very vital role in LinkedIn videos. This data shows that people want fun and engagement in the content. Adding fun into your content will surely increase and earn more attention. Tip number 7, find a real customer insight. Now, if you remember the sneaker ad campaign which touched the pulse of audience, rather than showing a model eating sneaker, it showed a man doing crazy things in the start. Then his friend come and say, "Le sneaker kha," and after eating sneaker, he behaves normally. So rather than showing what factor directly, digging out deeper to understand and carrying the people into the content. Tip number 8, it is actually a strategy. What, so what, and now what? As you review the analytics of your content, then ask yourself, what is this telling me? So what does it mean? And now what? So what should I do about it? Tip number 9, build your content on a relevant connection. For example, happy holidays from business X, or if it's a football season, you have the opportunity to buy a car. The problem with these two ads, it is that there is no real connection in between these two brands. So you need to make your content relevant and interesting. Tip number 10, repurpose your best content. When you find something that works, then you need to capitalize on it. If there is any blog which is performing very well, you need to create a video on it. Tip number 11, immediate attention grabbing creatives. You know that the scrolling news feeds on mobile is 1.7 second and on desktop it is 2.5 second. So you have very less time to grab someone's attention. Now how can you grab someone's attention in this fraction of time? It is by making attractive thumbnail pic, impressive headline and a short and crisp content. So it will surely grab the customer's attention. Tip number 12, experimenting more with the formats. Think outside of your box. For example, stories or the live content, or try videos on LinkedIn. So anything which you haven't tried till now, you can try it as the part of digital strategy, because it's always good to experiment rather than assuming. Tip number 13, videos. These are shaping bigger and better shape on all the platforms. Even LinkedIn is prioritizing the videos in newsfeed. Videos can earn views from second and third degree of connection as well. There are tons of video making tools available. These are like Filmora, Animoto, Camtasia, etc. Either you can create outstanding videos with the help of these tools, or you can take the help of any agency. Tip number 14, reuse your best content. If on certain keywords you have already made a blog or a video and you had great views on it, so you can create another blog or another video targeting the same keywords. Tip number 15, use content learning across all channels. For example, your best blog headline, that can also be a very good headline for your PPC campaign, or a high traffic web page can be a good content for your LinkedIn post. So friends, that was all from my side in this video, where you learned 15 different tips and tricks to take your content to the next level. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe it. Press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates on digital marketing and technology. We'll be back on another video on digital marketing. Till then, bye bye, take care and enjoy learning digital marketing through our videos. Thank you.